Welcome to my channel, Vision Desk. What if I told you that the real reason you fail to study isn't because you're lazy? It's because your brain is playing a game with you. Every time you want to focus, it throws distractions, fear, and excuses in your way. But once you see the game, you can flip it. And that's when studying turns from something you avoid into something that builds your future power. We all know the guilt of opening books, staring at the same page for hours, and still remembering nothing. The phone keeps calling, your mind keeps wandering, and at the end of the day, you feel worse than when you started. But the truth is, anyone can break this cycle. You don't need to be a genius, you just need the right system. Let me give you 7 steps that can change the way you study forever. Point 1. Start small, grow big. Your biggest enemy is starting. Thinking about hours of study makes your brain resist, so lower the bar. Promise yourself just 5 minutes. Once you start, momentum takes over. Those 5 minutes often grow into an hour without force. Point 2. Control your space. Your brain connects places with habits. If you scroll social media in bed, don't try to study there. Make a separate space. A clean desk, a quiet library, even a small corner with only your books. This physical change tells your brain, here we focus. Point 3. Break time, not focus. Studying for long hours with no break kills energy. Use short study blocks, then reward yourself. For example, 30 minutes of focus followed by a 5-minute break. This rhythm keeps your brain fresh and avoids burnout. Point 4. One task at a time. Multitasking looks smart, but it destroys focus. Don't keep 10 books open or 5 tabs on your laptop. Pick one subject, one chapter, one problem. Finish it, then move to the next. Small wins build confidence fast. Point 5. Protect your energy. You can't study well if your body is weak. Sleep enough. Drink water. Move your body. Energy fuels focus. When you feel a lot, your study quality doubles in half the time. Point 6. Use pain as power. Think about your last failure, a test you didn't prepare for, a grade that hurt. Don't hide it. Write it down. Let that sting push you forward. Pain can either break you or fuel you. The choice is yours. Point 7. Connect to your future self. Every time you want to quit, ask, how will I feel tomorrow if I stop now? Future you is watching. Will that version of you feel proud or regretful? Choose for them. Each choice builds your future story. Here's what I want you to do now. Write down the subject that scares you most and the very first 5-minute step you will take today. Not tomorrow, not someday, today. Then share it in the comments. Not for me, but for yourself. Because when you speak it out loud, you turn an excuse into a promise. Remember, studying is not about perfection, it's about progress. And every small step you take today is a brick in the future you're building. Thanks for watching my video. If it gave you value and helped point you in the right direction, show your support by hitting like and subscribing. Drop a comment with your thoughts or your own time mastery tips. I'd love to hear them.